Hey guys, Wispy here, just practicing a bit of self-isolation, and thought what better time to go and tune up the old boards, maybe fix a couple of dings. Thought I'll give you a bit of a sneak peek on how I get it done. So what I'm going to do is just do a very basic board repair, ding repair. So I've got some solar res. Look at this tube, that's all I could find. I've got a bit of 60 grit. I got a bit of 120. I also have a beer and 240. I might tackle this little guy here today. Check it out, see that one? Little rail crack. Okay, so first we'll prep the ding. So I'll start with the 60 grit. Now the 60 grit's gonna roughen it up a little bit, and that's gonna let the solar resin or whatever resin you're using stick to your board. If you just put it straight on, it'll just chip off. No mask, as you can see. I only wear masks outside these days. Gave it a pretty quick sand, a bit wide of the actual ding. Took all the, raised bits of glass and basically just gave myself a nice prep area around the ding so the resin's going to stick to it. All right, so we're ready for the application. I'm pretty lo-fi. I tend to use my finger. Just make sure you cover up any cracks and anything that's going to let in water. A good tip is not to do it too thick, because then you've got to take it off. You see that there? There we go. So you can see I just applied it pretty thinly. There's a few little lumps in it. You sort of notice where I've sanded to, just around here. So make sure, when your resin goes over onto the non-sanded bit, it's going to just flake right off. So just keep it within the sanding and you'll be good. The other thing you need with the old sun cure resin is sun. So let there be light. Let's put in the sun. There's not a lot of sun today at the moment. So just wait and see how we go with that. All right, most important bit, your beer. Sun cure only take 2-3 minutes to sort of cure and set. In the meantime, let's get this down before it dries. Let's check it out. Looks pretty good. It's definitely cured. Scratch my finger on it. It's not tacky anymore, so it's ready to sand. Start off with our coarse paper, the 60. We'll get all the rough bits off. Anything that's sticking up the most, give it a bit of a flatten out, and then we'll just slowly go down in sandpaper grades until we get it smooth enough. Grab the 120. Get the 240. Looking pretty good. We've gone down from 60 grit, 120, and then 240. And that's left us with a pretty good finish. You're able to see there. That's how to dodgily fix a ding with solar res. Hope you enjoyed it. Drop us a line if you got any questions. Everyone, take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and see you soon.